Namaste, happy morning to one and all. Myself Dr. Somshekhar, homeopathic physician, come yoga therapist. Now, let's go for the pranayam. I said prana plus ayam. Give the work to our breath. Give some modification to our breath. Rhythmic, systematic and controlled breathing technique is called pranayam. And the very best pranayam is called Nadi Shodhana pranayam. We are going to filter our nadis, our blood vessels, our channels. We are going to filter it. So we will be taking out the toxins from your sinus. We are going to take the toxins from your skull, and you feel the energy, a kind of rhythm. You can feel the lightedness. People who are struggling with migraine, those who are not able to come down even with for longer duration of medication, please practice this Nadi Shodhana pranayam. Those who are struggling with sinus issues, sinusitis, chronic inflammation of their sinuses, they may feel heaviness of their forehead. If they bend forward, they feel something hard thing is there in the head. That can be also controlled in the right way by practicing Nadi Shodhana pranayam. How to go for? Yes, you need to use your both the palms, both the hand fingers, then join your middle finger with thumb and with ring fingers. So this is the mudra. Okay, so you need to join your thumb, middle and ring fingers. You need to keep it on your knees. How to go for? You should sit in any comfortable posture. Need to make your spine straight. Use your right hand always. If you use left hand, there will be some confusion will be there. So use your right hand, or if you are left-hander, use only one hand, something like that. Now I am using my right hand. With your thumb, I am gently closing the right nostril. Gently closing the right nostril. So doing for the first round, when you are starting the first cycle, we need to take out the toxins from the left nostril. We should breathe out from the left nostril. Okay, so now I am going for breathe out. Then I am taking the breath in from the left nostril. Slowly and deeply I am taking the breath in. After taking the breath in from the left nostril, by using the right hand, middle and ring fingers, you should close the left nostril and open up your right nostril. Completely breathe out from the right. Again, I am taking the breath in from the right nostril. Take a deep breath in from right nostril. Now I am closing the right nostril, releasing the left nostril. I am breathing out from the left. After completely releasing the breath from the left, take back your mudra, close your eyes and observe the changes. I am feeling release of my face, pressure, heaviness. My nose is becoming very free, getting good breath, feeling like released. This is called Nadi Shodhana pranayam. We'll do it once again. You need to use your right hand, close your right nostril. Now for the second round, take a deep breath in directly from the left. Breathe in from the left. Close your left nostril, release the right, breathe out from the right nostril. Again, breathe in from the right nostril, close the right, open up your left, breathe out from the left nostril. Release the mudra, observe it. Nadi Shodhana pranayam, you can practice for 5 cycles, even to the 9 cycles. 9 times you can practice. Each time you need to increase the time for breathe in and breathe out. Initially you may do for 3 cycles in a minute. Gradually you need to reduce to 2 times in a minute. Then ultimate is 1 time. For one cycle you are taking more than 1 minute. That means such a deep breathe in and breathe out you are doing. That is going to benefit like anything. You can get rid of insomnia, sleepless state. You can get rid of migraine, get rid of sinus issues, and you can increase the patient's level and blood flow to your heart. For your lungs, you can feel it. You can practice this pranayam on empty stomach. After practicing asanas, you can go for pranayama practice. Very, very gently open your eyes and feel the changes. Thank you so much. After practicing pranayam, we need to close the eyes, meditate on your breath, closing the eyes, and you should focus on your breath. Focusing on your breath, ignoring your thoughts. You may get n number of thoughts while practicing, while focusing on your breath, but say no to that. Avoid the thoughts. Try to focus on your breath. This is how we can practice meditation. We can increase our focus, we can increase our patience, we can increase our immunity. There will be good blood flow to your heart, for your brain, and your whole system will be in ease, healthy state, and you can be fit. Thank you so much. Namaste. Dhanyavad.